baseball field. Well, this time I'm on at a construction site that my dad spotted when we were coming back from Hangar 18, replacing some parts that I lost. And we found this site, so I want to show you a little bit of what it can do here. That looks like got stuff in between. Yeah, this construction site isn't just the best, isn't like the best spot for a truck. I suggest you might not want to come here or stand behind the truck. Here, I'll get it out of there. Stop.
Well, those ruts were about a foot deep and it was high centering on them.
Yep, they were pretty deep. Well, that's another good video. Hope you liked it.